Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you the top speed on the 2019 Mercedes-Benz B180, which has a 4-cylinder engine and produces 136 horsepower and 200 pound-feet of torque. So this is the key. Gorgeous lights on this car. If you open the door, the projection of the Mercedes emblem is really amazing. And in the interior we have the ambient lighting, which is also a really nice feature of this car. So let's start the engine and you will see the beautiful ambient lighting, which we can change if we say Mercedes something. Hey Mercedes?
Ja, bitte.
Ambiente Licht blau.
Okay, ich ändere die Farbe.
As you can see, it is really gorgeous how Mercedes developed this car, and now we are going to try the top speed on this car. For that I am going to put everything to sport. As you can see, engine, handling, and also the ESP is on sport. It shows you also here. And let's try the top speed. I'm really curious because I drove a little bit and it was pleasantly surprising me how the performance developing was. And yeah, let's see. Okay, as you know, we have here the speed limit of 100 kilometers an hour. So we are setting the cruise control, which is here, and turn around and try it again. But I don't think that it will go over 200 because it was now really difficult to get to 200. But all in all, it is a really good car, don't get me wrong. We have also the pedal shifters here, which is really cool. Because of the 7-speed dual clutch transmission, the shifts are really fast. As you can see, I shift and the car, okay, that was a little bit late, but normally if you press, you see it will change the gear really well. Our favorite sign. I will drive again on the Autobahn. Maybe we can drive a little bit faster. But I think 200 is pretty good for a 1.4 liter 136 horsepower car, and the size of this car or the shape is not made for high speed, I guess, but all in all it is really good. I am impressed. You can't race with this car, but I think you will fulfill your family need with this car, make some amazing road trips or just cruises with your family. This car is perfect. So let's try it again. So 206 kilometers an hour. I think this is good for a family car. So let's cool this car a little bit down. And let's put it in comfort again, not eco, comfort. This car is not made for speed, we find out today, but 206 kilometers an hour is also good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to see you in my next video.